Hi guys, so I'm literally in the middle of editing this vlog and I realised that a lot of the footage doesn't really make any sense because I'm not actually explaining what I'm doing in the footage. So I just wanted to sit down and basically fill those parts in so they all make sense to you. The first part of the vlog is me at the Revlon event. It was such a good time. I got a little bit drunk, but you know, it's not often I do that, so I give myself a pass. Yeah, it was such a good time. It was great vibes, great food, great drink, great performance, great makeup, everything was great. So yeah, shout out to Revlon for an amazing party. And by the way, before you're confused, I did cut my hair. I cut my hair. And I love it. I did a post on Instagram explaining why I cut my hair, so check me out on Instagram and check me out on all my socials in fact. So yes, I'm not gonna babble anymore. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Here we go. The lighting is not the best, I apologise. But I am at the Revlon event at the moment. My manager... Oh no! How embarrassing! My manager's here with me and she is going to help me film and stuff because I'm looking to get a little bit tipsy, you know, parent night off, wild night out, and you know when Jayde, when Jayde gets a night off it gets a little bit sticky. Georgina's coming to meet me and we all know when me and Georgina are together it's just game over really. It looks like a really good night. It's like nightclub scenes, we've got photo booths, we've got makeup artists, we've got performances, we've got drink. What more can you want in life, you know? Georgina are at restaurant hours. I am drunk, let me not lie. We went to the Revlon party and then afterwards she come and met me and we was just like, let's just go out for a couple of drinks, go out for a couple of... Baby mama free. Yeah, you know. I've got the evening off, so I thought, let's just go out and have a good time.
You look so small, she's literally the same size as my tit.
Look at my shoes.
They definitely do fit. Look, can you do that thing, mate? She used to be able to put this around her. Oh my god, look. Sorry. PG. Oh, you look like...
I'm just a little bit flexible.
In the bedroom. Nice.
Hi guys. So last night was so much fun. I got a little bit drunk. So today Georgina, Stefan and my little brother Vassel are here and we were all bored. We were just going to chill all day, but when we just thought we're not going to do that. Look at this bitch. So now we're going to go out, we're going to pop to Shoreditch. This is Georgina, you guys have never really seen her before. They've never seen her on my channel. We've been friends since we were like 7 years old. So I'm very surprised that you've never seen her. But yeah, we're going to go to Shoreditch first, maybe get a piercing if there's shops still open. But you know, we're in London, so shops don't shut that early. Probably get something to eat, get some snacks, see where life takes us, maybe go to Central. We don't know. We shall see.
Well done.
This is my niece, Ayla. Another day of exploring. We are gonna go to Oxford Street, do a little bit of shopping, come back. I've got work to do later, I've got YouTube videos to edit later. But it's a really nice day, it's like 26 outside, so gonna make the most of it. This next part is me at the Lancome counter in Harrods. I got my very own custom made foundation, which I was really super excited about. I just stood up the camera and now I feel like I'm on a talk show. So anyway, I was so excited about this because who doesn't want a custom made foundation? I mean, basically you can choose your coverage, you can choose if you want it matte or dewy, and then they get this like machine thingy, like a little device, I guess, I don't know what it's called, but they basically put it on your face, they put it on your neck, and they put it on your chest, and that will basically tell them what kind of foundation you need. So it matches perfectly to your skin tone, which I think is amazing. It's amazing for people who really find it hard to find foundation shades. I don't personally find it that hard to find foundation, but I know that there's a lot of people, including a lot of my family and friends, that can't find their foundation, so this would be a really, really good thing. I picked medium to full coverage, and I picked dewy, of course. And yeah, it costs £85. It's quite pricey, but when it runs out, you do get another refill on top of it. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I really want to say a really big thank you to anyone that left a really kind, positive message on my last vlog. I was like hesitant to put it up because I don't really like discussing things too much on the internet, because people can twist words and you can't really explain yourself fully on the internet, I guess, because I guess you don't want to just sit there and talk all day. Well, you do, but you kind of think that no one else will want to hear you talk all day, so you put it into like a few minutes. But most of the comments that I got were agreeing with me and just saying really nice things to me, and I just want to thank you so much for that. I read all your comments, and all your comments mean so much to me. You don't have to comment, and you do. You don't have to show love, and you do. And I am forever grateful for you guys, honestly. Sometimes I can't really quite believe that my life is the way it is. Like, it's on a whole U-turn. So many things have changed, so many things have happened. and through everything, you guys don't always know what's going on with me, I guess. I don't share everything, but somehow you still manage to support me and comfort me and send me your kind words. And even when you don't know that I'm down, you're helping me, and just thank you. I wouldn't be able to do everything I do without you guys. You have helped me, you have changed my life. I'm grateful for the fact that I'm very ambitious and I keep going always. There's so many factors to what I do and what I could thank, but I just want to take the time to thank you guys for your support. I get emotional talking about this sort of stuff, but I get moaned at when I cry. People say I cry too much. So I'm just gonna you know, just know that I love you and I'm grateful and thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please remember to subscribe, please remember to like, comment, share this video, and hopefully I will see you in my next video, my next vlog. I love you guys, thanks for watching, bye.